Endplays and Coups by David Bird and Tim Bourke, page 32, problem 9. The bidding shows that West has a 6-card heart suit. We're in 6 spades, and with that, let's start the play. Take a look at this. Looking at our hand, looks like we don't have to lose. Well, probably won't lose any spades, so let's take that. Hearts, don't need to lose hearts. We can trump those 2 losers. Clubs, don't need to lose any clubs. We can just use the ace. Now, over there in diamonds, the king will take one of them. And the 4th one, we may be able to trump, so let's plan on losing 1 diamond, thus making the 6 spades. So we start off by taking that, and now we're going to draw a trump, and then we get the bad news. West, who had long hearts, had short spades, so we've got a 4-1 trump split, meaning he's got 4 to the jack. We know exactly which 4 he has: jack, 10, 9, 4. So he's going to take a trump trick, it does look like. So we'll have to reevaluate our plan. Well, we have taken 1 trump trick there. We need to take 12 total tricks. If we look at our side suit tricks, we have a club. Well, we've already taken a heart. We're taking this one, so that's 2. Then we got the diamond, 2 diamonds, and a club. So that adds up to 1, 2, 3, 5. That adds up to 5 tricks total. And now we look and see if that's 5 tricks we've taken already. We have 7 trump. If we take each of the trump individually, 5 plus 7, that will give us 12. So let's plan on cashing each trump individually. So we will start out there with the clubs to allow us to start on our cashing each trump individually. Something of a cross ruff. So there we're cashing the trumps individually. Everything's going well with the cross ruff. It's still going. And we'll try our diamonds. And he trumps. Now we're over trumping, and we have 1 trump left. We know he has a trump left, the jack. Oh, and the 10. We let him take it, but we know we've got another trump in the queen, and so we have 12 tricks taken, 6 spades, making the cross ruff.